Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. So today we are working on a 2017 Highlander. We are doing the radio. The radio stopped working, the volume basically stopped working. So based on my research, they say it's easier to replace the radio. So basically that's what we're going to do, replace the radio with another one that we basically bought from the junkyard. We found something that fits the exact car, and that should be just as simple. Rather than replace the whole radio, we have found something a lot cheaper. This is what the customer wants, so that's what we're gonna do. Anyway, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. All right guys, so the first thing we have to do, we have to take this panel out, and there is screws behind it. So to properly do that, let's open this guy up. We're gonna try to like maneuver my trim removal tool somewhere in here. Trying to slide to take it off. All right. Okay guys, now I'll make sure I put the foot brake on, and then we're gonna do this. Okay. All right, now take out the key. All right, the key won't come out, that's normal. This is just for me to be able to take this guy out. I can try to pop this guy off here too. It's all clipped, so it should be fairly easy, guys. Okay, there's a couple connectors here. We have the cigarette lighter. We have the aux, and I don't know what this one is. Oh, the heated seat. All right, this guy is out now. Let me see if I can put this thing back so I can take out the key. Now this is clipped in, so we should be able to just unclip it. All right, and then there's one cable connected to it. All right, got it. Now we're gonna move to the top here, guys. We're gonna take this panel out. Let me see. Okay. Ah, here you go. Little finesse there. Oops. Great. Okay, all right, this guy is out. Let's just put it over here, guys. So we have four 10mm holding the whole radio assembly. There's two on the top, two on the bottom. All right. All right guys, now we need to be able to just pull this radio out. Should be able to just maneuver it out. Oh, okay, here we go. It's out. I'm gonna take this cable out too. There's a bunch of cables here, guys. We're gonna have to take them out. Let's just take everything out. All right. All right, there's this guy out too. This is the radio. We just took it out. There's a couple things we didn't have to take out, and I'll show you what the new radio looks like. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so after you take out the radio, we're gonna take out, so instead of putting the Android radio, we're gonna put the same radio from a different car. So in order to do that, we got to take out this bracket with this guy. There's pretty much 4 screws, actually 8, 4 on each side holding it. Once we take them out, we're going to switch it over to the new radio. So this is the easier way. So hopefully now it would fix the issue of the radio not working. So all right, after you take out these 4 screws on each side, there's 2 more Phillips, 1 on each side. All right, double check. I should be able to. All right, hold on. We're gonna take. All right, hold on, guys. Let's take this. Actually, maybe I may not need to take it out. Yeah, I may not need to take it out. Let me just try to take out the radio. Okay, so now we're gonna put the new radio into here. Let's put it from the front. Make sure I got it right. Yep, it's the right side up. Okay, now we should be able to slide this guy in here and then fix the bracket. There's like little clips down that hold the bracket, so it should slide in fairly easy. Okay. Alright guys, and then let's put these two Phillips back in. I'm gonna put one screw on each side, guys, and then we're gonna run a quick test just to be sure before we keep going. Okay, so now moment of truth, guys. Let's reconnect everything, and then we're gonna test the radio. All right, guys, everything is connected. We're going to run a quick test just to see if we should keep going. Let's find out. Audio off. All right, let's find something, guys. All right, it's working, guys. It's working. All right, guys, so we know the radio is working. So that means the whole issue the whole time was something happened with the radio where it just dies. I guess that's something that seems to happen with those older Toyota model. The radio just went kaput. But anyway, we know it's working, so let's put all the screws back, put this guy back in. And I believe we got this from a salvage yard or junkyard. It's a good way to get basically a regular radio that would fit right in, and you have nothing to do. It's pretty much plug and play. So the fact that it's working, it's beautiful. So all right, let's shut everything down. We know it's working. Okay, and then we unplug everything now again, and then we're going to put all the connectors back. All right, guys, let's put the other screws. Flip it over and repeat. Okay, guys, everything looks good from here. Let's put this guy back in here. Now we just reconnect everything. Alright, guys, and then this top one goes here. Okay, put this back in here. That's it. Then we got four 10s, 2 in the top and 2 in the bottom. Let's put them on. And then we got 2 down here. Okay, guys, since we got the the stuff installed. We're gonna do one more test, just make sure it works, okay? Before we finish that up.
Is support. What does
all right,
not help
it's working.
is shame.
Yep, all speakers work. We're gonna test it some more with like Bluetooth in a little bit, guys, but we're good. Okay, now we go move on to the next step, which is this guy here. It's a clip-on. Put it, line it up here. Done. And then we got this big guy here. This should be one connector. Okay, that goes on the top. Okay, and we got this one here. There's 3 connectors. So black one. I'm gonna move the gear shifter. Alright guys, everything is connected. Now we can clip this guy back on. Hold on. Got a little annoying beeping sound. Alright guys, she's done. Let's pop it on again. Do another test. Alright guys, it's working. Success. That was an easy one. I love those. Those are easy and love it, love it, love it. Oh good. Alright guys, that was an easy video, nice and easy. I love those little videos that are very easy to do. So if you're having the same issue with your car, I would suggest trying to see if you can find one from the junkyard, and then you can replace it. But beside that, we're all done. Like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Till the next time, peace.